What's going on, everybody? Sorry it's been so long since I made a video, but winter finally hit there for a while. Now that it's getting nice out again, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things and making videos again. Today I'm bringing you guys a little short video about an aesthetic mod I'm doing on the outside of my Focus ST. These are upgraded puddle lights, which if you don't know what a puddle light is, they go on the bottom side of your mirror typically, and they shine on the ground when you open the door or press the unlock button on your key fob. And these particular ones are a white banner with the ST logo in them. So I think they'll add a really cool modern touch to the car. You don't see a lot of cars with puddle lights with their logo in them and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be popping these in. They go on the bottom side of the mirror here. And after I get them installed, I'll flash forward to when it's nighttime and I'll show you guys what they look like. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the installation here on the driver's side mirror. I have already moved the glass all the way to the left, be outwards, so I can get my fingers kind of in between this part of the glass and the actual mirror housing itself. So what you're going to do is just kind of put your fingers in there and slowly and carefully pry it outwards, and it should kind of just pop right off. It's kind of a ring of clips around the middle of the mirror there. Obviously you want to be careful you don't flex it too much and break the glass. Just kind of slowly work your fingers in there. Be careful you don't send it flying because it is plugged in. Once you get it out, just kind of spin it around, lean it there very carefully. And this right here is the light that we're going to be switching out. So now what you're going to want to do is get this light bulb out, because there's a screw behind it that we have to unscrew in order to take out this light part. It's just rubber kind of squished in there to keep the water out of it. So you're just going to kind of carefully get your nail or something in there and wiggle that light bulb out. And there's that. And there's a Torx bit screw right back there. You will need a Torx bit T15 to get that screw out. Once you get that screw out, all you gotta do is push this clip on the right side here towards the car side of the light. Push this little clip in, and then you'll just kind of push it down a little bit, and it should kind of fall right out. There it is. There's your stock puddle light. And here's the aftermarket one that I'm putting in. This particular ones I got from a person called JC Customized. He runs a small business, I believe, out of the United Kingdom. But he makes these himself, and he has a couple different designs. But yeah, this is the aftermarket one. Basically, these are a little different. They go in from the bottom, and then this part right here clips in, kind of where that other clip was. So you'll put it in from the bottom, get it lined up, and then basically you just push it up. You'll hear a snap. Then you got that screw to put back in. Now obviously these aftermarket ones have their LED light inside of it, so they don't need this bulb anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this one out. Just the light bulb itself. The housing, and the housing stays in it, and then you just kind of slide it back on, because there's a little metal plate in there that this slides over. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. From there, you just want to make sure you line up this circle with this circle. I mean, it's pretty easy. And you just kind of sandwich it back in there. You'll hear it snap. You're good to go. And I'll go ahead and teleport forward with movie magic, and you guys can see it here at night. So catch you guys in a minute.